एक बार फिर अवैध कॉल सेंटर पर छापा। आप सबका स्वागत है न्यूज़ लाइन कोलकाता में। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अवैध कॉल सेंटर का पता चला सीसीडब्ल्यू को। लेक टाउन थाना क्षेत्र के दक्षिण दाड़ी इलाके में अवैध कॉल सेंटर संचालित किया जा रहा था। वहां छापा मारकर 21 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया है, जिनमें 4 महिलाएं भी शामिल हैं। उनके पास से 29 कंप्यूटर, 2 लैपटॉप, 23 मोबाइल फ़ोन, 3 पेन ड्राइव, 2 राउटर, 2 स्विच, 24 पोर्ट, एक हार्ड डिस्क और 26 लाख रुपए बरामद किए गए।
On the basis of source information, we received an IP that at a place Lake Town, proper address is 17K4 Dakshin Bari Road, PS Lake Town, our international illegal call center is going on. Our team went there and checked there with the help of the witness and found 20 to 23 persons are working there and making the international call using the iBeam software upon about 30 computers. Verifying them, interrogating them, it has been found that they used to be duped the Australian citizens, making themselves as an employee of National Broadband Network Connection Services. They used to fraud the Australian citizens, asking them to convert their copper wire network into the optical fiber network. Once the citizens are accepting the proposal, they used to mature the call and used to transfer the call at the place another call center at Aliganj, of whom head we have been interrogating and investigating further. They used to redeem the money through the Delhi and the China network and Hawala network. They used to redeem the money into the cash in their accounts, for which work is under progress. On this source information, we have arrested, and after proper interrogation, we have arrested 21 accused, out of which 4 are female accused. Following seizure articles have been seized by our team, like 29 computers, 2 laptops, 23 mobile phones, 2 routers, 29 port, 1 hard disk, 2 pen drives, 2 attendance register, and victim data and other documents. In this case also, like earlier, we have been able to identify the names of various victims, on which work is being under progress. Investigation is under progress by our CCW team. Thank you.
So how big is this network and what is the money involvement in this?
Since information receives that it is being run since 2022, so there is a chances that huge money transaction is going on. As we team are under investigating it further, we will be letting you know very soon how much the overall transaction is there. Apart from it, also I want to give you an update of another call center raid which was done by us on 31st January 2025 earlier. On 31st January 2025, our team raided a call center at Sonarpur under Baraipur, of whom 3 accused were arrested. Out of 3 accused, 1 accused was taken into the PC and he was a main leader. On interrogating them, we could arrest another accused, Shafiqat Shafiq of Benia Pupur PS. From him, we could seize 26 lakhs cash, which is here, and also we could seize the crypto wallet from his mobile phone. Searching the crypto wallet and taking the details, we could able to find it out that about 204 crore rupees transaction have been taken place from that crypto wallet within 1 year.
So this type of crime, call centers, illegal international call centers, do you think it's on a rise very much in last 2 years or say last 6 years?
As soon as we get the information, we work upon that.
But there is a rise in the trend.
It depends how much we information get and how much we work. So since we are working upon it, so informations are coming to us.